How to fix microphone on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix microphone not working on Viber. Well, basically if you're having issues with mic on Viber, then it might just be the permission issue. However, well before that it might be any other issues as well. To ensure it's not that, you want to head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your Viber is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated it, what you can do is you can head into settings, scroll down and head into the apps option. Once under apps, you want to look in or search in for Viber and open up Viber. Once you have opened up Viber, you'll find the option permissions. Tap on it and make sure that the microphone permission is allowed. You can either set it to allow only while using the app or ask every time, or you can set it, if it is on don't allow, you won't be able to access it, and this might be the reason. Set it to ask only or ask every time and restart the application itself, and this should fix the issue. This is how you can fix microphone issue on Viber. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.